based on the emblem behind me, a year has gone by already. We're at the Martin sale, Shippensburg or Cumberland Valley in the great state of Pennsylvania, minus the blue politics. Let's go, let's show. I'm staring right at a row, man. You're gonna buckle up. 1066 black stripe, chrome stack, great skins, front and rear, 4-rib. And they got a note, and we're into notes on this channel. Dyno tested, 20.8 38s, rebuilt, shifter lid, PTO. 965th built. Oh yeah, got the upgraded steps. So these are nice, man. I don't care what anybody says. I prefer them. TA's back, dress right dress, polished, Firestones in the rear, still got the knobbies. I mean, that's 100% tread on there. Dual as expected. Looks Cat 2 to me. Hong Kong Fu, Cat 2. Newish seat, lean back like I like. Cruising across the field. Yeah, I mean, this thing's to the nines, no rear weights, but that's fine. Yeah, looking good. I'm not going to check the hours. They will have all of these running in the morning, so that's pretty much the day of the sale. And that's the day that I hop on these and kind of check them out. 1206. Oh, this is going to be, what, 60, 66. Okay, new TA, dual remote, PTO, 18438 Firestone dyno tested. Okay, but they're not saying what it tested out at. Chrome stack. Yeah. I mean, brand new seat on there. Skins, good steers. So rears. I'm being nice. Come around the back. Yeah. You got the one, looks like an original top link. I don't know if that was the original with this particular tractor, but it definitely looks like unoriginal if it's not. Yeah, nice 1206. Could have used this out at the 1206 Roundup at Half Century of Progress. We're making progress. Looks like new alternator on there. Yeah, again, they'll have them running, and I'll hop up on them tomorrow. It's going to be really hard because what happens is I mean, you're undercover here, so if the weather's bad, it kind of is advantageous, but guys just pack in here. And they don't care if they're bidding or not. They just jam in. Usually the guys that are bidding are over there 20 feet away. All right. Oh, yeah, man. Black Stripe 1466. Got a note. New TA, dual remotes, 20.8s. Nice. Weights 640th Black Stripe 1466 built. So, yeah, you got some weights in the front. 4-rib. You know. So rears. Those are good years there. Come with the dual hubs. And there's so many tractors to go through that, you know, it's just, okay. So it's drawbar. I'm not saying for a guy like me that would hurt the sale at all, because that's pretty much what I do. I don't really do a lot of 3-point. I do some fast hitch stuff on the smaller tractors, but yeah, you can see some dry rot there, but yeah, still really nice machine. Rare machine too. Built 1 year. Well, that's debatable. The end of 75 to, I guess there were 300 or 400 of these black stripes built, you know, but, and in fact, here is one. Here's a black stripe 1066 chrome stack. This is really nice. New front and rear. And so this is going to be a 75 black stripe, new TA Firestones, 260th IH 1066 black stripe built. So yeah, Jesse was talking about that at the restoration tractor sale, that, you know, at the very end of 75 they did start putting these out. And somebody argued with me in one of the platforms. I don't know, I think it was TikTok actually. I mean, yeah, chrome stack. I don't know why the lid cover's off that, but it's off that. You got that to prevent sparkage, but I don't know if we missed anything. Okay. Right off the farm, retirement. Okay. And again, climb up on these. These are brand new skins on here. This is a nice machine. It is a nice machine. Those skins would last me 2 lifetimes. So this one is set up dual and dual as to be expected. We'll come right around here. Another black stripe 1066. Good skins. Look, those look 18.4 to me. 4 rib. This is 76. Okay, this has got the 466 engine and 3,765 1976 IH 1066 built. Okay. Yeah, this can be a screamer. Brand new skins on their rear. Those are Carlisle. What's this say? Recent engine and TA work. Right off the farm. Retirement out of Iowa. All right. Ooh, got the long axle there. I ain't getting through there. We'll check everything out more tomorrow. And oh, John Deere 4000, the poor man 4020, the speed tractor. What's it say here? 1972 power shift, dual, new rubber, 428 diesel power shifts built. So yeah, a rare machine. 4320 John Deere. Those got to be 20.8s at least. Not a lot of skin on them, but that's, I guess, how you'd want them if you were going to pull a tractor. 466 engine. All right, synchro range, dual stack front weights. Yep. Oh, got the upgrade steps too. So if you're a John Deere guy, easy on, easy off. Little H ski. 1066 narrow front, and those are combine tires. What are they, 24.5 32s? Yeah, wouldn't need duals there, and those are brand new. New turbo, recent clutch, recent TA, original narrow front, runs good, looks tough. I think these look tough. Big old screaming pipe on there. It's got the turbo. Yeah, you do well on this. Old red power. Let's check out the back. Okay. Yeah, dual and dual. You know the rule. Something interesting. I don't think I've ever seen one. It's a Farmall, International Farmall 666 Hydro. And, narrow front too. 73, 74, 1 year production. Only built 1,040 of these. 685 of them were diesel. Narrow front runs good. There you go. Oh, hey, tractor special. Yeah. It's kind of low. These must be what, 15.5s? 16.938s. Okay. Yeah. Oh, another 1066 turbo. Got the upgrade steps on the side you don't get on, in case you do need to. Both. Yeah, it's nice. New steers, new rears. You got ROPS up tops. And yeah, there you go. Oh, it looks like a 3020. Got some slabs in the front here. Canopy, yeah, 3020. Diesel power steering, 730 looks like. Fatty tires. What are those? 18 430s. Okay. Yeah. See a lot of guys at home, they pull these. They went in their class with them too. They do well. Massey 1155, Massey 1150, and comes with the duals. So yeah, there you go. You know, they always talk about gold demonstrators and frauds, and how do you know it's a Goldie, and this and that and the other thing. And I kind of agree. I want some verification if I can get it. Really, no documentation, truly, but I can tell you this one ain't one. It'd make a gold demonstrator 856. They painted it kind of to the nines, I suppose. It does have, they even painted the dash black, but no, they made an 826 and a 656. Never an 856. But somebody went out of their way and did it up anyhow. I don't know. Hey man, do you? It's your tractor, right? There you go. They made a 1456 too. Goldie. That'd be one to have. And I don't know if I can check the serial number on this or not. That's going to be your serial number right there. And but yeah, this is not a true Goldie. I don't think. I mean, people, you know, guys that are in the know, they'll just buy it as a regular 856 with gold paint on it. We talk about that quite a bit when there's a Goldie for sale on the channel, but here you go. It's not a Goldie. And then of course the tractors we just looked at are over there, and they got undercover. They always got the mowers and I don't know, different stuff, forklifts, and they got a little Ford first on race day here. Got the fire starter on it, John Deere M, and just a whole slew of them. I'm not going to be able to cover every cotton pick in one of these, but there's a lot of equipment up there. I'm going to go peek down into the valley because there's always rows. And what else I'm interested in too is, are we going to be parking over there or taking shuttle? Hopefully parking down there. Well, here's looking down in the valley. I see, an older John Deere down there. I don't know. Some planters, hay equipment, John Deere self-propelled sprayer, pull type sprayer. There's, I don't know, it looks like maybe a Case IH right there with a loader, little one. I'm just panning along here. There's a Case IH there. I don't know if that's a 75A or what it is. Anyways, four-wheel drive, some combines, some older stuff, maybe a couple kicker wagons. I don't know. I'm hoping they have us park out there in the morning. That would be good. This is a big sale. Do not get me wrong at all. But it doesn't look like this year's sale is as packed. The quality's definitely here. But as far as the quantity, I've seen this way more packed. And I still might walk down there because from bird's eye view, I can easily miss something, if you can believe that. I mean, there could be a cool red tractor behind those trailers, so I don't know. Let's go, let's show. Well, we meet again. Not the exact tractor, but a 3388 2+2 will sell. I don't know if it runs. It looks really rough. Parts tractor. If you just bought that one at WTC on Saturday for $7,700, you could get this one for parts, assuming the parts aren't already mostly pulled off of here. I mean, yeah, but yeah, I mean, you can see, I mean, it's acres and acres of stuff. No other tractor in the summer am I on more than my H. Wide front too. I've got a remote in the back, and yeah, I just like my H. I pull a 5-foot brush hog, heavy brush hog for it being 5 foot. But yeah, here we go. We got one on steel. Must be a Mennonite special. And you know, as bad as it looks, it might look a little better in a video. They oftentimes do. I bet it runs like a top. Yeah, and you always look at the sediment bowl. There is sediment in the bowl, but that just means it's doing its job. Got some paperwork to go with it too, so you know it's legit. Oh, and deep tooth. That's what you want, so you're not slipping out. I've made quite a few videos with this, you know, pulling a 2-bottom little genius, a 216, but nevertheless, yeah, now it never leaves the brush hog. Love driving it. Oh, it never fails. There's always an 84 series here. This is a 684. And I think last year they had one of these in 2 884s, so. Well, and I must have spoke it right into existence, because here's an 884 with a loader with a 2250. loader. In my opinion, highly desirable loader. And I wasn't joking. This is cool. Front wheel assist 784. ROPS up top. Yeah, looks to be in working condition. Now you're going to get a wet butt on the seat, but that can be rectified. What's the tag say? Always interested. Runs and operates, bad parking brake. Well, it's not really exactly on a hill, so I don't have to worry about a parking brake right now. Check out the back. This area likes their 84s. Okay. Yeah, dual remote, 540. And looks like 1,000. Looks kind of stripped, but either way, it's here. Case IH 5140. Cab looks clean. I mean, I'm not like climbing up in it, but oh yeah. Got the front too, like you guys have, you blokes have over in the UK. Yeah, there you go. For you greenies, a 4240. There is a 4040 down there too. I don't think I'm going to walk down there. It's kind of muddy. But yeah, 4240 right here. Well, he's got one of the tents fired up. He's sucking that sign right in. Sounds good. Looks good. Is good. Red power. Sucking it right in. Oof. Yeah. Took right off too. Well, that tractor ain't no joke. He hit the button and she took off. And that's a cold start too. It's about 32 degrees out right now. And boy, you gotta love the look and you gotta love the smell. You know it. I don't know how you could sit here and love green over red power when you see this. Well, that's gonna do it for today's preview. Tomorrow, big sale. And hopefully they sell these early. A little birdie in the window told me they're gonna sell these probably around 11, which would bode well because then I'll bounce and be home by probably 6 o'clock tomorrow night. Red power. It's go time, folks. Hit subscribe.